Hello everyone, we're back again on OnItsarse Car Care and Detailing Studio. Today we're going to go through pre-washes and snow foams. We're going to explain to you what they do and what the difference is. Okay, so today we have Citrus Purge, which is a pre-wash. We have Arctic Purge, which is a snow foam, and then we have pH 0, which is another snow foam. Now, I'll talk to you about the snow foams first. Arctic Purge is a slight caustic. It's non-acidic though, it's the alkaline side of the pH scale. It's got high foam and it will remove practically all the dirt from your car. When I say practically, I mean like 95%. The reason that we use snow foams is it's a pre-wash. What you're doing is you're reducing the risk of scratching your car when you come to do a contact wash. Contact wash being your 2-bucket method with your wash mitt, X, Y and Z. pH 0 is again a snow foam, and this is a pre-wash, but it is pH neutral, which means it's not acidic, not alkaline. There is no chance of this doing any damage to your car whatsoever. With Arctic Purge, if you leave it on in 30-degree baking sun, you could have adverse effects, and it will start to diminish your wax layer if you have one. So yeah, that's the difference between the two snow foams. These two snow foams that we have at OnItsarse have high mix ratios. Arctic Purge can go up to 100 to 1 mix ratio, and pH 0 can also go up to 100 to 1. The mix ratio being 1 part snow foam to 100 part water. So if you have a litre lance, 10 ml to 990 ml of water, that's 100 to 1 mix. My preferred preference is 10 to 1, so it'd be 100 ml and then 900 ml of water, or an inch. A lot of people do that with the lance, just an inch of snow foam, fill the rest with water. A lot of people use hot water or recommend to use hot water. The reason for this is the chemicals that are inside these, when mixed with hot water, obviously the water coming through your snow foam lance will be cold. When they come into contact together, that will create them to foam up a lot more and just do the job properly. So that's snow foams. You know the reason why we use them, to reduce the risk of making marks, scratches and swirls at contact. Citrus Purge. Citrus Purge is a pre-wash, some people use it as. So some people would use a citrus base cleaner, and then they will go on to snow foam, and then they would do a contact wash. Citrus Purge is citrus, which is slightly acidic, but it's not to a level where it can do damage. Don't worry about that, unless you leave it baking in 30-degree heat, direct sunlight, X, Y and Z. Please make sure you read your labels. Also make sure you read your health and safety as well. Citrus Purge is very good at removing road salt, especially around winter time. This is when we promote it most because we feel that is the best time to use it. If you're using it in summer, there's no issues with that. That's also very good. If you don't like using a snow foam like this because you're worried about the pH, but you use pH 0, some people also use the Citrus Purge because it is really safe to a degree if used correctly. So we've got a car in the bay. We're going to go and fill our lamps up if we can find it. I have a feeling one of the lads have nicked it. And we're going to snow foam, well, we're going to pre-wash the car, should I say. Yeah, let's go. Okay, we've found we've not found our actual lance. We're now actually using the original lance that came with the Nilfisk. Someone has stolen mine, so the foaming qualities aren't going to be the best. Proper snow foam lances, you can adjust their ratios and it lets the foam come out a lot better. These ones you can't do naff all with, but it still does the job, puts the product on. Probably end up using a bit more than we should, but yeah. Mix ratio we've got in here is 10 to 1, so we've had an inch in, filled the rest with water. We're going to snow foam this lovely GT86. now. We're going to leave it to sit for about 2 to 5 minutes, depending on how long you want it to work. We're in a quite cold atmosphere today, so we can leave it on for quite some time. Keep your eye on it, make sure it doesn't go dry. If it starts to look like it's going dry and drying out, get your lamps out, wash it off, and go on to your next step. Now don't forget, when you're jet washing your car, keep your eye on this. You don't want it to scuff the car because you will scratch it. Now we wash the car! So now we've finished rinsing the citrus purge off. As you can see, it's removed quite a lot of dirt. Now, if it was me, I would then go over it again with a Snowfoam, and then I will come on to my 2 bucket method. Okay, so the next car we've got up is a Mercedes A45 that is filthy, and I mean filthy, really bad. The owner of this car put a wax on and didn't remove all of the wax. We're going to be using the Arctic Purge Snowfoam. You will see some really tough dirt spots that don't come off that easy. That is because they are bonding to the wax layer that has been taken off. Enjoy. Okay, so you've seen the effects that Citrus Purge has when you're using it. You've seen the effects that Arctic Purge has when you're cleaning. As you can tell on the Mercedes, there were some exceedingly bad dirt spots where the dirt had blended with the wax that hadn't been removed. We've then gone on to do a 2-bucket method. We did another round of Snowfoam as well to try and get it off, and it came off a lot easier. And it's all nice and shiny now. We've actually run out of cars to show you pH 0, but we can tell you that it is amazing. Try it sometime, you'll love it. Yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps a lot. We're still getting used to the YouTube things, and yeah, see you soon in the next video.